Relax your head down. There you go. Good.
Got nice and easy here. Good. Good. Relax those shoulders. That was good. Good all the way out. Relax that back. Good. All right. Again, right here. Good all the way out. Good. Now, right here, I want you to take a deep breath, hold it in. Good, all the way out. Good, relax. That nice and relaxed there. Good. Nice and easy here. You keep this muscle nice and relaxed. I'm gonna stretch it right over this way. Very good. Same thing this way. Very good. Keep the back relaxed. Good. Again, one more time, in and out. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. Good. Very good. Good again. Good again. Good. Now breathe in, hold it. Good. Here. All that relaxed. Good. Good. Lean back with your shoulders a little bit. Good. 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 All right, nice and easy.
Oh.
Perfect. Good. Relax. Okay. Very good. Good. Relax right here. That was good. Oh, wonderful. Nice and relaxed. Good. Here. Good. Relaxed. Good. Good. Just let that knee drop down. Good. 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 There you go. Here. Very good.
Again. And a deep breath and hold it. Hands up. There it is. Good. Yeah.
There. Go ahead. Breathe in and out. Good. Again. Good. One more. Good. Good. Relax now. Be relaxed. Good. 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 Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good. 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 Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good. Out. Good. Good. Very good. Okay, now see right here. Very good. Good. Let's keep this nice and relaxed here. Good. One little one there. One more time. Good. A little tighter. And both the hip and the lower back. So keep that nice and relaxed.